In this video, we're going to be installing and adjusting this adjustable spring hinges from National Hardware. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Let's dive in. Once the gate is all assembled, it's time to put it in position and install the spring-loaded hinges. Bonus tip, when you're working alone, a speed clamp can be the extra pair of hands that you're looking for. I'm going to put a mark on both so I know that they're level, because you don't want this hinge bound. I'm going to put the barrel right in the middle on both, and I want the adjustment at the top of both hinges. I'm going to get one started and then adjust from there. I'll make sure my barrel lines up. We're going to adjust the spring-loaded hinge as a safety gate so it automatically closes by itself and stays closed. My wife had the brilliant idea of putting a towel down because they only give you 2 tensioner pins, and you could imagine having to find the tensioner pin in the grass below. The spring hinge kit includes an adjustment rod and 2 tension pins. Insert the adjustment rod in the adjustment collar, the hole on the right, and move it till you feel tension. And insert the tensioner pins. You may need to do this twice. Don't move it any farther than 3 holes to the right after you feel tension. Now I feel a lot better about MJ being on the deck. For more home improvement tips like this one, click the image on your screen now.